Bihar, a tapestry of natural wonders. Bihar, a state in eastern India, is often overlooked for its natural beauty. While many may think of Bihar as a land of ancient history and cultural heritage, it is also a place where nature thrives in its most pristine form. Many associate the region with its rich history and ancient culture. The land of Bihar has been a cradle of civilization, home to some of the most significant historical events and figures. However, beyond the bustling cities and historical sites, Bihar harbors a secret, a landscape of breathtaking diversity and splendor. The state's natural beauty is often overshadowed by its historical prominence, but those who venture beyond the well-trodden paths are rewarded with sights of unparalleled beauty. From lush green forests to majestic hills and serene rivers, Bihar's scenic beauty awaits those who seek solace in nature's embrace. The verdant forests are home to a myriad of flora and fauna, offering a sanctuary for wildlife and a retreat for nature lovers. This essay will take you on a journey through some of Bihar's most captivating scenic areas. We will explore the hidden corners of this state, revealing the natural wonders that lie in wait. We will delve into the heart of Valmiki National Park, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. This park, located in the West Champaran district, is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to tigers, leopards, and a variety of bird species. Then, we will ascend the Rajgir Hills, where history and spirituality intertwine amidst picturesque landscapes. The hills are not only a place of natural beauty, but also a site of great historical and religious significance, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. Finally, we will explore the serene banks of the Ganges River, a lifeline for millions and a source of inspiration for centuries. The river's gentle flow and the lush greenery along its banks create a tranquil environment that soothes the soul. Prepare to be captivated by the hidden gems of Bihar's natural tapestry. Each location we visit will reveal a new facet of the state's beauty, from its rolling hills to its serene rivers and dense forests. Discover a side of India that is both mesmerizing and unforgettable. Let the journey begin. As we traverse through Bihar's natural wonders, we will uncover the stories and secrets that make this state a true gem of India. The emerald embrace of Valmiki National Park. In the northwestern corner of Bihar lies Valmiki National Park, a sprawling emerald paradise. Covering an area of over 880 square kilometers, this park is a sanctuary for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. This protected area is a testament to the state's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The park's dedicated rangers work tirelessly to ensure the safety and conservation of its diverse ecosystems. Home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, Valmiki National Park is a must-visit for anyone seeking an immersive wildlife experience. From the majestic Bengal tiger to the graceful deer, the park is teeming with life. The flora is equally impressive, with countless plant species that paint the landscape in vibrant hues. As you enter the park, the air becomes noticeably fresher, filled with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. The trails invite you to explore deeper into the heart of this natural wonder. The dense forest canopy creates a world of its own, where sunlight filters through the leaves, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. This interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing atmosphere that enchants every visitor. The park is crisscrossed by numerous streams and rivers, adding to its tranquility and allure. These waterways not only enhance the park's beauty, but also support a variety of aquatic life, making it a haven for birdwatchers and nature photographers. Whether you're trekking through its lush trails or simply soaking in the serene surroundings, Valmiki National Park offers an unforgettable escape into nature's embrace. Where tigers prowl and nature thrives. Valmiki National Park is renowned for its healthy tiger population. Nestled in the lush green forests of Bihar, this sanctuary is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, a testament to the park's conservation efforts. The sight of a tiger resting under a tree or drinking from a forest stream is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. While tiger sightings are a matter of chance, the thrill of knowing they are out there is enough to send shivers down your spine. The anticipation during a safari, the rustle of leaves, and the distant roar make the experience unforgettable. But tigers are not the only inhabitants of this wilderness. The park is teeming with life, each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Valmiki is home to a plethora of other wildlife, including leopards, which can often be seen climbing trees or stealthily moving through the underbrush. Sloth bears, with their distinctive shaggy coats, forage for food, while packs of wild dogs roam the wilderness, showcasing the park's rich biodiversity. And over 200 species of birds add a symphony of sounds to the forest. From the vibrant colors of the parrots to the melodic calls of the cuckoos, birdwatchers find paradise here. The park is also a haven for reptiles, with numerous species of snakes slithering through the leaves, each playing a vital role in the food chain. Lizards bask on sunlit rocks and turtles swim gracefully in the park's serene ponds. Valmiki National Park is a true testament to the wonders of nature, where every creature, big or small, contributes to the vibrant tapestry of life. A tapestry of flora and fauna. The flora of Valmiki National Park is as diverse as its fauna. Towering sal trees dominate the landscape, their massive trunks reaching for the sky. The undergrowth is a tangle of bamboo, ferns and creepers, creating a sense of impenetrable wilderness. During the monsoon season, the park transforms into a lush green paradise. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, and the air is filled with the sound of rushing water. This is the perfect time to witness the park's biodiversity in all its glory. Our journey through Bihar's scenic wonders now takes us to the Rajgir Hills, a place where history and spirituality converge amidst breathtaking landscapes. Located in the Nalanda district, these hills hold immense religious significance for Buddhists and Jains alike. Legend has it that Lord Buddha spent several years meditating and preaching in these hills. It was here that he delivered many of his famous sermons, attracting followers from far and wide. The hills are also associated with Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. The Rajgir Hills are dotted with ancient caves, temples and monasteries, each with its own unique history and significance. One of the most popular attractions is the Sun Bandar Caves, believed to have been used by Jain monks for meditation and retreat. Another must-visit site is the Brahmakund Hot Spring, known for its therapeutic properties. The water here is said to have healing powers, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. Taking a dip in the hot spring is believed to cure various ailments. Perched atop Ratnagiri Hill, one of the 5 peaks of the Rajgir Hills, stands the majestic Vishwa Shanti Stupa, also known as the Peace Pagoda. This towering white structure is a symbol of peace and harmony, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Built by the Japanese Buddhist monk Nichidatsu Fujii in 1969, the Peace Pagoda is a popular destination for meditation and reflection. The stupa's 4 golden statues of Buddha represent his birth, enlightenment, first sermon, and death. Section 8, Bodh Gaya, where enlightenment blossoms. No exploration of Bihar's scenic beauty would be complete without a visit to Bodh Gaya, one of the holiest sites in Buddhism. It was here, under the shade of a sacred Bodhi tree, that Siddhartha Gautama attained enlightenment and became the Buddha. Today, Bodh Gaya is a major pilgrimage destination for Buddhists from all over the world. The Mahabodhi Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, marks the spot where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. The temple complex is a magnificent sight with its towering spire, intricate carvings, and serene ambience. Section 9, the sacred Mahabodhi tree. Adjacent to the Mahabodhi Temple stands the sacred Bodhi tree, a descendant of the original tree under which Buddha attained enlightenment. The tree is considered sacred by Buddhists and is a major object of veneration. Pilgrims from all over the world come to Bodh Gaya to pay homage to the Buddha and meditate under the Bodhi tree. The atmosphere here is one of peace, tranquility, and spiritual awakening. Section 10, the Ganges, a river of life and spirituality. No description of Bihar's scenic beauty can be complete without mentioning the Ganges River, the lifeline of northern India. Flowing through the heart of Bihar, the Ganges is not just a river, it is a sacred entity, revered by millions as the embodiment of the goddess Ganga. Along the banks of the Ganges, life unfolds at a different pace. Pilgrims come to bathe in its sacred waters, seeking purification and blessings. Fishermen cast their nets, hoping for a bountiful catch. Children play on the ghats, their laughter echoing across the water. Section 11. What are your favorite scenic spots? As we conclude our journey through Bihar's breathtaking landscapes, we invite you to share your own experiences. What are some of your favorite scenic spots around the world? What makes these places so special to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue to explore the beauty of our planet together.